What a journey we've been on. To take a 22 or 23-year-old Hohner 270 Super, tear it apart, airtighten it, make a slider. All this work, replacement of bumpers and replacement of the mouthpiece screws and the cleaning up of the mouthpiece and dremmeling the mouthpiece and sanding the comb and all the work to make this slider. But one thing it does, this slider takes away those sharp edges. They're gone. And saliva's not going into the harp anymore. I can keep this harp clean with a slider. But let me play it for you, and then let's talk about what we have here. Let's compare it to the Super 64X. Well. There is a sweetness and a gentleness to this tone that's singular. Wow. I always wondered what would happen. I couldn't find a clean one. I couldn't find one with a decent comb, but I found it. And again, I'll just let you kind of look at this. And so a Hohner 270 Super enters my stable now with the Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece Slider, which is a great application to a wood-combed comb because it keeps the harp clean. There's no saliva dribbling in. Relaxed embouchure keeps harp clean. Easy articulation, new note hold positions. I think this met my expectations. I'm going to experiment with this sound.